Welcome to Tao Cantina. My name is Auntie Ann, and today we will gonna cook Filipino food. It's good for everything. So, of course, there's coconut milk, ginger, we have garlic, onion, calamansi, and Saba, which is the cooking banana. So this one is like the overripe banana mashed and mix it on the sauce on your when you fry them. So banana curry sauce. So I put turmeric oil, ginger, onion, and garlic. And then the mashed overripe banana. That's the flavor. And then coconut milk. And a little bit of curry powder. A bit of soy. Nasaan ka na? Is this soy? A bit of soy. Sugar. For sweet. Pepper, and a bit of patis, fish sauce, calamansi, and then Thai basil. Lapot, and ready. So I put it as the sauce in my grilled fish. This is grilled fish with a banana curry sauce.